Invoice number V7651. Today's date is November 23rd, 2022. We are video inspecting the living room fireplace, which is a prefab. There is a cap installed. It looks as if it was altered to fit this flue. It looks like a masonry cap was installed on a prefab. Proceeding down scan now. Approximate height will be given at the end of the video. We are looking for a creosote buildup or any seams that don't seem to be connected correctly. First course. There is a little bit of damage. So far we don't have any creosote. Straight shot, and I believe this is where the offset starts. And there it is. Actually two offsets, as you can see right there. Perfect angle. This is the bottom. We've got a hairline crack. It is metal, but it looks like there is a crack right here. Maybe it could be a scratch. We are approximately 20 feet tall in height. That concludes the video inspection for the living room fireplace. Defects are observed.